Rat snake, which is also locally known as Dhaman in Marathi and Hindi regional language, it's a non-venomous snake. It is observed that it's a very common snake around human settlement because of easy prey base of rodents and other animals. They feed in various things such as eggs, amphibians, small mammals and their young ones, small birds and even other snakes too. Watch carefully. This is a slow motion video of how snake is using its tongue. Snake use their tongue for collecting chemicals from the air or ground. Because it is forked, the tongue of snake can collect chemical information from two different places at same time. The tongue does not have any receptors to taste or smell. Instead, these receptors are in Jacobson organ. Once the chemical are passed to Jacobson organ, chemical evoke different electric signals such as they relate to the brain. It simply deposits the chemical it has collected into the pads of the floor of mouth. As mouth is closing, these pads delivers the sample molecules of entrance of the Jacobson organ. That's why one can see snake flicking their tongues again and again. They can be easily identified by the black markings on jaws and body. They also show the presence of loreal scale. They are known to be the diurnal snake, but it doesn't mean that they cannot be seen at night. Their behavior is very alert on threatening. They move very fast and quick from that place. There are many myths that they eat contain venomous or poisonous tail, but in fact don't have any poison or venom in their tail. As they are non-venomous snakes, so they have powerful jaws which give a strong bite to its prey. They have incurved teeth by which prey cannot escape, and if it try to escape it gets more pain. Snakes don't attack human unless and until they cornered or provoke. Snakes give warning signs when cornered or provoked before biting. It raises its head when alert or to want to show itself bigger in size. It flats its forehead and growls like an angry cat to give warning. This is a harmless snake but can generate injurious bite while mishandling. Small teeth may remain in victim's body which may be manually removed, otherwise can cause minor infections. They are known to be the fastest terrestrial snake on the earth. The particular snake was been documented without handling just by tracking it from the safe distance. This snake just got alert because of little movement done by me and started analyzing me. It observed in my camera and started doing this wavy movement and gone far from me. This shows they are not interested in human at all. They are also good climbers as frequently they climb to the tree. This snake climbed to the tree for search of food, which was a squirrel. And it was unsuccessful, and the squirrel started giving alarm call about the threat so that others get alert about the predator. When squirrel gives alarm call, it always faces its predators. This is some sign one herper should know while herping. As the snake was being filmed in same location for several days, it shows that they too have territories or favorite places where same individual can be seen frequently. The motive of this video was to spread awareness among the people and to show that they can be also filmed from the safe distance without handling or disturbing them. Hope you liked today's video. Do subscribe my channel and follow me on my social media account. Thank you.